Okay, now we're going to wake them up. Appa, listen to me. Arvind,
Devanshi,
get up.
get up.
We are going to the theatre to see Jurassic.
Huh? What?
Jurassic
Well,
World, the first day.
Today?
Yes.
What?
Surprise. Are you?
Happy Dino Day.
Yay! Thank you, Ma.
Welcome.
Going not today, but we are going today. No, I thought we were going tomorrow, but we are going today. Hello.
So we are so excited. We are already 1 hour early in the car. We booked the ticket online 2 weeks before the movie. We already booked the ticket. 2 weeks இருக்குமா சார்?
Early morning show.
Morning show. Today is the first day show. So Devanshi is ready, waiting for Arvind.
I'm so excited.
So nice, friends. First time, this is the first movie that we are going on the first day release. We are all dinosaur fans. Okay, once we reach the theatre there, I'll show you.
Hello.
Hello.
Getting ready.
Cannot see your head.
Jurassic World. See, our heads are here. We are at the cinema. We are going to the movie over there. So now we are heading to the cinema over there. See over there. That's where the beautiful food street. Going to the golden.
Huh? We are here. Devanshi, are you excited?
So excited. Let's go.
This one is. We want the bottle how? What combo is it?
Yeah, I got combo. This combo.
Which one is 40 with this one, and one bottle, is
Yeah.
it? Okay.
One regular popcorn and one regular drinks.
Okay, this one combo, each one.
Green or black is
No, I want each one, 2 sets.
so both set up.
2 combo.
Both also Coca.
One give us one without ice, the Coke, and okay, without ice 2 Coke. So 2 combos.
Okay.
All the makanan.
Ma, I want to go and see. My sausage, I
Okay, our seat is B03040506.
Up.
Here. And one here.
I will sit here.
No.
Ready to open it?
Yeah.
Ready to open, Ashanti?
Yeah, they can open.
Let's open.
Let's go near the camera and show.
This is the glow in the dark, my bottle. I got it from Jurassic World. We bought it from Jurassic World.
GSC.
I mean GSC, yeah.
These got two different types. Show yours first.
Open this up. And this is mine.
Tumbler, nice, huh?
Nice one, huh?
Hold on. Leave the box on the shelf. Leave the box on the shelf. Okay. Plastic all leave the box.
Oh! Wow!
So you press this to open.
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice.
Can
Portion
lock.
life dinosaur. If you want to extra lock, you can put this here in the extra lock.
So they were so
If you push
excited.
this up, you can extra lock it.
We were so excited!
So, what you are going to tell?
Come sit down.
Let's go and watch the movie. Go and watch the movie. It was one of the best movies ever made.
Yes! Also, you can get this free bottle, but it's not for
free.
sale.
We can't
And
talk
also,
about
they
the
got
movie.
his baby.
And we got Carnotaurus here.
We won't show you the new baby because we don't want to spoil. So this is the food.
Yes.